In this video, I'm gonna show you how to spawn Airship Yacht in GTA 5. As you can see, this is the mod and it allows you to basically spawn a giant airship yacht and you can fly along the whole city. Let me show you what it looks like from afar. So let me dig deep and I'm just gonna demonstrate this very quickly here. So when I try to leave the yacht, as you can see, it just falls down. So let's spawn it again on the ground just to show it again. So I'm gonna spawn one over here. And there you go, see? Let me spawn it properly. See, there you go. So this is the one. So let's start installing this mod and watch closely. First thing, you need to open Google Chrome. So here, and type scripthookv and download this. Then type menu and download this one. And now you can go and open your downloads folder. Let me delete these two. So these are the downloaded folders. Now open your GTA 5 folder. And put it here. And now you need to go inside scripthookv and copy this one, and this one. And paste them over here. And now go out and go to menu, copy this and this, and paste them inside of here. And now you can leave both of these and go back to Epic Games and go to manage and turn on this options and write -no battle I. And let's launch the game. Okay guys, I have launched the game. Now I'm gonna activate the Airship Yacht. So press F8, vehicle options, vehicle spawner, funny vehicles, and you're gonna select Airship Yacht. Press F8 again, and you have your giant airship yacht. You have your giant flying airship yacht. And you can clearly see these giant propellers, these giant drones. It's like a giant drone ship. It's a very nice vehicle. It's a very nice flying vehicle here. So if you guys would like to see more mods like this and would like me to make more tutorials like this, make sure to hit that like button and leave a like and subscribe.